Hello everyone, this printer is Epson EcoTank ET-3950 series. What I want to do is to show you how to scan documents with ADF and to your mobile phone. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your mobile device are connected to the same network. We connected both via Wi-Fi network and also using Epson Smart Panel. This is Epson Smart Panel. Stick the document you want to scan on ADF. So this is ADF. And also if you look, you will see it's on A4 paper. The size of the document is A4. Now the next thing to do is you need to go to Epson Smart Panel, select scan, then you select document source. You can leave it in auto dictate. So it will pick the document wherever the document is loaded. And scanning, we want to scan this double-sided document type A4. We want to scan it in color, resolution 300 dpi, maximum is 600 with phone. Automatic rotation is on. Image format PDF. Then you select start. So you can see it will show you from the mobile device. This is the first one and this is the second one. So these are the documents we scanned. If you want to scan more, then you select plus. So I'm going to remove this. So if you want to scan more, then you select plus scan. Then if you want to delete it, then you select delete. If you want to save it, then you select next. Then give the file name. Then you select location. We want to save it in the picture. Then you select save. This file is saved. Go back to the app home screen, yes or no. We want to print this out, so we're going to select no. If you want to print the document out, you select this share icon. Select this. It will give you platforms you can use. Likewise, if you want to share this document via email, then you select the email, but you want to print this out using Epson Smart Panel. So select Epson Smart Panel. The document is attached. Then select print settings. Select the color. You want to print this color. And also you want to print this double-sided, long edge. Select how many copies. Then you select done. It will show you the document. 2 pages we are printing. Then you select print. Preparing to print the reverse side of the paper. Do not touch. Printing complete. This is the document we scanned with ADF. Save it to the mobile phone and also print it out double-sided. Thank you very much indeed and stay blessed. Thank you.